Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Yes, this is star fruit season. So let's see how is this tasty star fruit pickle made without using any pickle powder. Let's quickly get into the process. I have taken around 2 kgs of star fruit, wash it well and kept it aside. Now, as some of you are not aware as how it has to be cut, I will just show you a glimpse of the process of cutting it. Make it into 4 equal slices and then cut them into 4 equal parts or even 3 equal parts of each slice. Take out the seeds and make sure every piece that you cut are equal parts just to make it look beautiful. So see, this is how it has to be cut. Perfect and awesome. Now let's get into the ingredients. I have taken 6 bulbs of garlic crushed, 2 big pieces of ginger crushed. This is masala powdered of ajwain seeds 1 teaspoon, fenugreek 2 teaspoon, fennel 1 teaspoon. Roast them well and crush it. Now this is asafoetida bar, roasted it and powdered it. It is 1 teaspoon. And then this is mustard seeds 3 teaspoon, roast them and kept it aside. And I have also taken 8 chilies crushed, quarter kg of jaggery. This gives a sweet and spicy khatta meeta type of taste to this particular pickle. It's really nice. And then we will be using gingerly oil of 200 ml. Gingerly oil is what we prefer mostly, or you can use mustard oil. So let's get started with the process. Take a pan or dish and heat the oil. When oil heats up, you can add the ginger first. Let the ginger turn golden brown color, after which you can add the garlic. Wait until garlic turns golden brown color. This gives us awesome taste, separately roasting them and then adding step by step is a really nice process. So you just have to do it this way. Now let's add the powdered ajwain seeds, fenugreek and fennel seed masala to it. Stir well, don't burn the masala. Now let's add the mustard to it. Stir well. Give a nice mix so that no part is left without mix. And now let's add the crushed chili. Actually, you can add the crushed chili right after adding garlic, as in when garlic turns golden brown color. But this is fine. You can use it this way as well. Okay. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of rock salt to it. We are using rock salt because anyway it will keep melting, and rock salt is best than using the powdered salt. So give a nice mix. Now let's add 6 teaspoons of chili powder. By looking at the color, please don't get scared. It is homemade chili powder. So every masala that we are using here are all homemade apart from the oil. So now let's give a nice mix to this chili powder. 6 teaspoons. Don't burn the masala. Now let's add a pinch of turmeric. Say about half a spoon, okay? Half a teaspoon turmeric. Give nice mix again. Don't burn the masala. I'm repeating it because once you burn the masala, the taste is gone. You lose the touch of pickle there. The mixing is all about pickle. Now I have crushed those or powdered those quarter kg of jaggery. So I'm adding jaggery directly into the masala. So I need not wait until it is melted. I'm not doing any syrup with the jaggery. I'm just crushing and adding it directly to the masala. You can do the same. Now give a nice mix. Now let's add the pieces, the master of this pickle, star fruit. Now you have to make sure the pickle pieces of star fruit are getting mixed well with the masala that you have prepared, because that is a masala. Yes, that is the only masala required here. No pickle powder used. There is no use of adding pickle powder when you have all these powders here. Let's keep mixing well so that no part is left without mixing. Like I said before, mixing these masalas properly is where the pickle recipe is all about. And star fruit pickle, you might be thinking why there is no liquid forming here. It is star fruit pickle. It has some liquid in it. It will form by itself. You can see some water already formed. Now let's add the asafoetida powder. It is 1 teaspoon already powdered and kept. I'm sure you must be able to see the water forming already formed in the dish, right? That is why we have not added any water. It just formed with the jaggery, salt and the star fruit added in it. Give nice mix. Asafoetida is added. Now it's time to add vinegar. Vinegar is added in a very less quantity. I will show you how. A small glass, 1 small glass. See? This is the measure of taking vinegar. After adding vinegar, let's give nice mix and set it for 2 minutes in low flame. Try this recipe out, don't miss. Let this season be very well used with the star fruit. After setting it, I have transferred it into the container. As I always say, please use glass container or ceramic jars. After transferring it into the container, I had separately warmed some gingerly oil and poured it over this. This helps in preventing from the formation of fungus or even spoiling the pickle as early as possible. So this actually helps in keeping the pickle in having a long life. Very well used, and you can store it outside, not inside a fridge or anything. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please try this out, comment your views, share my recipe, like my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Until I see you in the next video, tata.